Good morning, traders. I'm Dan Pavilonis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Today is July 5th, Thursday. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the energy markets. Overnight action, we saw an ECB rate cut closer to zero to kind of spur up the European economy. We also saw China ease lending requirements. Tomorrow, we have two big numbers coming out. We have non-farm payroll, expecting at 125,000. We also have a number coming out of China that should show that growth is starting to slow, which the scary part is because China's the second time in a month lowering the second time in 30 days lowering their capital requirements shows signs of they're trying to spur growth again. So as far as oil consumption, it seems like global GDP is starting to slow down. Global consumption should theoretically start to slow down. And with that being said, we saw a rally in the market, I think, in continuation of what we saw with the ECB bailing out the banks a couple of weeks ago, with expectations of basically what they did today. And the market's starting to come off a little bit. We saw 88.98 on the high. We came down to 86.47. I think tomorrow's non-farm payroll number is going to be a big impact on oil. If it shows signs of weakness in our unemployment situation, I think oil continues to go lower. Iran is not necessarily playing war games, but they're in talks about shutting down the Straits of Hormuz. They're taking military actions, military practice actions, kind of flexing their muscles, so to speak. But I don't think that's a major driver on oil. I think they'll leave the straits open. One major issue is the Norwegian oil union strike. They're losing about a million and a quarter barrels a day, and that's obviously having an impact on the oil market. So I think they'll probably wrap that up pretty soon through their union negotiations on pensions, and once that's cleared up, I think that oil gets put back on the market and oil continues to go lower. In a deflationary period right now, if we don't get any QE out of the Fed, I think oil continues to go lower. I think we're just in the midst of a short squeeze right now. If you have any questions, give me a call, Dan Pavilonis, 800-826-1120. Remember, futures trading has a level of risk and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.